Morning students, as you know we are doing the chapter admission of partner. We have done some examples or some situations when a partner enters in the firm. Today I am going to take a new type of problem. Here is the question. A and B are 7:3 partners. C is admitted for 3/7 share which he acquires in 2:1 from A and B. It means C is taking admission in the firm for the share 3/7. He will take the 3/7 part of the profit, and when C is needed 3/7 part, who will sacrifice? A and B will sacrifice to complete 3/7 share of the C. So they will contribute in the ratio 2:1. This is the problem. Now let's see how will we solve this question. A, B and C we will write, and after that what is the part of A? 7/10, and the part of B is given 3/10, and C will get 3/7 part as it is written in the question. Now how this part will be completed? 3/7, the part of C will be completed by sacrificing the part A and B. A will sacrifice in 2:1. Let's see. C's part is 3/7. So A's part and B's part we will have to find. A's part will be 3/7. It is written in the question in the ratio 2:1. 3/7 into 2/3. Here it will come, or we can solve this question anyhow. 3/3, 3/3. We can write 2/7. Okay. In the same way, 3/7 will be completed by B's ratio is 1/3. 3 is cancelled out by 3, and the remaining part will be 1/7. It means A will sacrifice 2/7. It means we will put minus sign here and 2/7 here because A is sacrificing, and the part of B will be sacrificed by him, A by 1/7. Now we will solve this problem. First of all, we will take LCM. 10 7 ja 70, 7 7 ja 49, 7 10 ja 10, 2 ja 20, 29/70 will come. In the same way we will take LCM. 10 7 ja 7, 3 ja 21, 7 10 ja 10, 1 ja 10, 11/70 will come. Now you are seeing the denominators are different. Here 70 and you will find here 7. So we will make the denominator equal. If we multiply here 10, so we will have to multiply here by 10, and in this way we will find 30/70. Now you are seeing all the denominators are same, so we can write new ratio. ratio will be 29:11:30. In this way, we will find the new ratio of this question. So students, I think you have understood this question. Now we are taking another type of problem. X and Y are 3:2 partners. Z is admitted and he acquires 1/5 of X's share and 2/5 of Y's share. Find new ratio and sacrificing ratio. So students, first of all we should understand this question before solving this. There are two partners X and Y. They are dividing their profit into the ratio 3:2. Z is a new partner. He comes and he acquires 1/5. Not only 1/5. Here is a point. 1/5 of X share. Whatever the share X is getting, we will find out 1/5 of that share. Means X's share, and after that we will see he is also getting 2/5 of Y's share. Whatever the share of Y, we will find 2/5 of Y's share, and after that we will add, and in this way we will solve this question. Let's see. X, Y and Z. X, in front of X we will write 3/5 and 2/5, and Z will get with the share. How will we find? We will find, let's see. X will have to sacrifice 1/5 of his share. Minus sign in the bracket. Whatever the share of X is 3/5, and we will find out 1/5 part of his share. In this way, X will sacrifice, and in front of Y we will put minus sign, and whatever the share of Y, which is 2/5, and what is the share? 2/5 and 2/5 of his share, means Y's share. So we will write in this way, and in this way when we will write here, now we will find the Z's share. This is the, and this is the, both things will be the part of Z. 3/5 into 1/5 plus this is the X share, and this is the Y's share which they were sacrificing. Now we will solve the question. First of all, 3/5 minus 3 1 3 or 5 5 25. Now we will take LCM. We will take LCM. 25 will come. 5 5 25 and 5 3 15. Minus 25 1 25. 1 3 3. 15 minus 3. 12/25 will come. Now we will solve this. 2/5 minus bracket, in bracket you are seeing, so we will multiply 2 2 4, 5 5 25. Now we will take LCM as we have solved above. 5 5 25, 5 2 10, 25 1 1 4 4. 6/25 will come. Now we will solve this. 3 1 3, 5 5 25. This is the solution of first bracket plus Now we will solve the second bracket. 2 2 ja 4, 5 5 ja 25. Now you are seeing the denominator are same, so we can add both the fractions directly. 25 3 4 7. Now you are seeing all the denominators are same, so we can find out the new ratio. New ratio will be 12 upon 6. Sorry, 12 is to 6 is to 7. Now the question is saying find out sacrificing ratio. As you know, the formula of sacrificing ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. But in this question, we can find out the sacrificing ratio without using formula because there is no need. You are seeing A is sacrificing. What part A is sacrificing? You are seeing here 3 upon 25. And by is sacrificing 4 upon 25. So we can write here, your denominators are same, so we can write here 3 is to 4 will be the sacrificing ratio. We can write here directly. There is no need of using formula old ratio minus new ratio. In this way, we will solve this question. I think you have understood very well both type of problem. Till then, thank you.